I'm a blob with a job, just a one-eyed gob, saw a crack in the back, and I went full slob. Dripped down deep in a cave of goo, now I bounce off walls like slimes do. Sky up high, I fell from that. City go beep and the floor go splat. Traps go snap, slime go splurt, everything hurts but I got no shirt. Temple, crumble, mountain, slide, sticky lil dude with nowhere to hide. Bounce in a pit, scream in a wall. Is this still a game or a slime free fall? Home? Don't know. Brain? Half mush. But I keep on rolling in a panic rush. So tap that icon. Don't be shy. Help a black blob bowing back to the sky. Download Goo Odyssey or I'll scream forever.